Okay, ready na din si Jollibee. Okay, may preparation din yung kaibigan natin na si Jollibee for Yana, of course. Naglaro. Napaka-bibo talaga ni Jollibee. Okay, are you ready to give your second wish? Alright, my second wish is for our dear Yana to continue to grow us strong and healthy daw kagaya ni Jollibee. Palakpakan naman. Okay, kagaya ni Jollibee and ni Happy. Meron pa talaga kagaya nito. Kagaya ni Clyde daw. Alright, how about your final wish? Is for our dear Yana to continue to grow us. Of course, to have faith with our God. Okay, palakpakan naman po para kay Jollibee. Happy birthday, Yana, coming from our Cheer, Joy, and Fun Happy and Jollibee. Okay, but not just that. May inihanda